Shall we? Yeah?
What time's this class over?
When that bell rings, you get to leave. Legally.
What time it is on Mondays?
30.
Why, you're already that excited?
Yeah.
No? You're focused now? Okay. So I took those little bacteria that you make glow in the dark. They're in here, and I put them in the fridge for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I did.
Oh, you still have them?
I do.
Oh.
Yes.
They smell.
They might smell. Yes. You guys want to take that protein out and just make like glow in the dark protein?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, that sounds fun.
Doesn't it? Excellent. Let's see. They have been playing.
Whoa.
Doing a little playing.
You can get the PowerPoint.
No, PowerPoint.
What is it?
It's crazy.
What's that?
You're gonna love it. Watch.
It's cool.
Yeah, isn't it? So here's our little bacteria, right? So where would we expect to find the protein being made?
In the cytoplasm.
In the cytoplasm?
In the ribosome.
It's in
Cytoplasm is a
everything.
lot of stuff.
Cytosol.
Cytosol is the only the liquid part, right?
Mm-hmm.
Would it be congregated around one of the organelles in particular? Since you guys are experts now in protein synthesis. The ribosomes, Laureen says. Would you all agree?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I tend to agree too that down by the ribosomes and in the cytosol we have this protein, correct?
Yes.
And then that protein hopefully maybe is being exuded by the bacteria, right? So let's go and put this in. So what is that right there in the cytosol?
It looks like the virus
but it's
that I
not.
saw on Contagion. I watched it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, the virus looks like that.
Virus looks like that.
You should look it up.
Yeah, that's definitely not a virus.
Well, no, I just saying
It
that
could be a
looks
virus.
like
It's part of it. It is a protein.
Is it?
Any seen that protein anywhere before?
Is the inside mRNA?
Seen that protein anywhere before? Seen that protein anywhere before?
I'm looking.
Seen that protein anywhere before? Seen that protein anywhere before?
It's not a pulse.
Seen that protein anywhere before? That's GFP right there.
SG.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Purple. Why is it purple?
For the most part, semester one has been nucleic acids, DNA, RNA, right? And how they encode for proteins, correct? Now let's actually play with the proteins.
Yay.
Shall we? Okay.
This is so
So that's
cool.
called GFP. It's a quaternary protein.
What does that mean?
And we'll talk this week about what it means. So at this point, we piqued Andy's interest.
I know.
I'm not gonna be here this week.
Oh,
Person's not
this
gonna
is
be
such an
here.
awesome week, too.
I miss you, Chris.
I like this new presentation thing. This is cool.
You like the Prezzies?
Yeah,
Yeah, Prezzies
Prezzies.
are fun.
Is this new that you got?
Well, it's online. It's just an online program. I can run it off.
I'm going to 70-degree weather.
I can download it too. I haven't played with it that far.
So I'll miss you less in Texas than I would.
So here's the context that we want to look at. Is that protein there a cure for cancer? Maybe. Quite possibly. We could ask ourselves that question. We know it's a marker protein though, right? Just glows in the dark. But I think that's a good question to ask, Reagan. What if it were the cure for cancer?
How on earth would it be a cure?
That's what we were wondering.
Well, it's a marker protein. It would carry something that would be a cure for cancer. It's
We would just be able to
that
see
in
it.
Of itself isn't a cure for cancer.
But what if it were?
We wouldn't know until
Well,
we
what did the
try to.
GFP
What if it were?
that glow in the dark?
What if it were?
Then good.
In that
What?
context.
What special characteristics does it have that would make it a cure for cancer?
We could ask that, but we don't care about that at this point.
Well,
What we do care
Sure.
about, though, is if a bacteria possessed that particular protein, and if it was a possible cure for cancer, do you think you'd want that protein?
Because
Yeah. So then, probably your next question would be that one. How do we get it out of the bacteria, right? Right. Caesar gets it. So in order to address this question and to try to figure out how to get the bacteria just sitting there in the fridge in my storage room, how do we get that GFP out of the bacteria? Let's go to what we're going to be doing for this lab. Did you want to see what this was all about?
Cool. Oh.
Yeah, all of those things were really, really small. So here's your platform. You can put anything you want there.
Oh, that's cool.
Holy cow.
Go anywhere you want.
What program is this?
Crazy. Pretty impressive, huh?
Yeah.
It's fun to play with.
That makes me feel sick.
I know.
This is like the stuff when they like show you like this. No, like you know when you watch those shows where it's like this is you, and then it's like this is the Earth, and then it's like this is the galaxy, this is your solar system, this is the galaxy. They probably use that. They like keep expanding outwards until they're like infinitely far away.
That would be a good one to do. That would be fun.
Oh man,
Okay, so
I have to write this.
some people like to
I
read.
feel the same way.
Some people like to know what to learn or study at night.
I never look
okay?
at these.
Yeah.
It's not too crowded in here, right?
No.
Do I need to call a fire marshal?
I'm
Need
kind of
some more?
claustrophobic because
Do you need some more? What do you got?
Way too many people in here to see. I've got like 33 over here.
Does that mean a ton of people drop chemistry?
I don't know. Is he teaching at World College right now?
Yeah.
Four honors kids who dropped chemistry. Or 4 people in honors chemistry.
Did they go to regular chemistry or did they just do animal ecology? What did Barrage
He went to normal chemistry. I told him not to do animal ecology.
Barrage.
That means he fails at life.
No, he might pass it, and then he would be the best animal ecology student.
Are you taking pictures or recording?
Recording.
She's videoing.
That is awesome.
And she's going to link them on the
Yeah,
biology
I've been working on that.
website.
That is awesome.
So my
Very appropriate use of
abstinent
technology.
students,
Abstinent?
yes, can do that.
It
Not
took
abstinent.
loading. You know how long it takes to load like a 30-minute video onto YouTube? Like 1,000 minutes.
That's probably based on your connection speed too.
Yeah, I have a good computer.
Wi-Fi,
It's I think I'll break it down into 3 parts.
Good idea.
You can do it from here.
Look at all those recorders though. Anne's got a recorder.
She's got
Kirsten's
hers.
got a recorder. She's ready to rock the
She's
semester.
ready to go for college too. Those are awesome in college.
If you use them.
Oh yeah.
I usually record it and then I didn't listen to it later.
You acted like you were a good student.
Right.
You weren't.
Because I found it a pain in the ass to have to listen to it again.
You know, when I was in, it
Just
was the
listen
little
the first
tapes.
time.
They didn't have the digital recorders.
Right.
It was all tapes. and
Well, I
you
have
had
the big
to label
tapes.
the tape.
Big.
You got a Walkman, huh?
Rather much.
Wow, Mark.
Mark, he thought you dropped.
You
Oh,
missed
you
me,
did.
Mark.
So why
I
would
know.
drop?
Well, we didn't know. We're so happy you're here.
No, it was I forgot what time class starts on Monday.
Oh.
So for that first one, can you think of one off the top of your head that we've talked about already this year?
1 second.
Important proteins.
Oh, like for people that are
Transgenic means we've actually taken a gene from one organism and
Diabetic.
put it in another.
the people that are diabetic.
They get-
they get insulin.
Insulin,
There you
right?
go.
Insulin would be one example. There's lots of others. Hey, and then number 2, we get to describe what a protein's made out of. You guys probably from your Biology 1 days already know that, right? Oh, I mean from last semester you already know that, right?
Oh yeah.
What are they made out of?
Amino acids.
Amino acids, and we'll talk about its specific structure, looking at the parts of an amino acid now. How do you like that? Doing some organic chemistry again? Do you like organic chemistry?
I love them.
Yeah? Not too hard.
I wish
And
we
then Abby's big question, what's a quaternary protein? We're going to learn the 4 basic protein structures. So why do we get those funky dunky shapes? Why does your hair look the way it does? Why are you the color that you are? Why don't I have color?
You do. You're red.
All right, pink. Pink is Mr. Guthrie described it. I'm a land of pink people. Hey, you know those terms? Hydrophobic, hydrophilic?
I remember them. Hydrophobic means it doesn't like water.
Scared of water?
Yeah.
What's hydrophilic?
It loves water.
Water lover.
Because bio means
Good,
lover,
good.
doesn't it?
What's
Bio
that?
means
Hey,
lover.
what you guys do on Friday?
Yes.